The difference is personalization. Google gives everybody the same answer, but the AI tutor responds based on what questions you've asked, what you know, and what you still need to learn.
So using the AI tutor has helped me personally a lot whenever I go for assignments because I can understand really complex topics of a class in a much simpler way. Each different part of the assignment I can break down into separate topics and go through each one of them in AI tutor, and that really helps me understand it faster.
I frequently use AI Tutor as a chatbot because it is very specialized to me. It understands how I speak and knows what I want to learn. It knows the ways in which I learn. For example, AI Tutor can show you video links for what you're learning, summarize notes, or even gives you revision tools or quiz you even. It's a great tool when the teacher might be busy doing something else. It's a great tool to revise independently. It really gives you a strong sense of responsibility.
I first used AI Tutor while I was preparing for my midterm exams in a subject that we have called Intro to AI in Business. It's a new subject for us, so I really wanted to understand the concept of customer engagement and other topics that I wasn't fully up to date with. I practiced all my MCQs because that was a huge component of our midterm exam, and it really helped me understand all the information that I needed to retain and everything that was important for me to get a good grade.
Yes, I use AI Tutor for my exam preparation as it summarizes my lectures and gives me questions to solve, which makes the learning process more easy and effective.